Hello everyone, we're back with another video from Lexical Pidgin, and today we're going to be talking about negation in Pidgin, understanding how to make a sentence negative. Last week we talked about how to use the verb to be in terms of state, which refers to location, feelings and activity, and we took a few examples and understood that we use the verb they. So we saw that you could say I they, you they, he they, she they, and all of that. I left us with a very simple homework, which was how do you say they are at school and they are happy? Easy peasy. The solution to that is them they school and them they happy. Over to the topic of today, which is negation. Now, in English, you say I am not instead of I am. That's how you make the sentence negative. So instead of saying I am at school, you can say I am not at school, or I will not do that, or you shouldn't be doing that. In Pidgin, we also have negation, but instead of using the word not, we use the word no. Simple. And in English, the word not usually comes after the verb, but in Pidgin, it comes before the verb. So instead of saying I am not, no, in Pidgin you wouldn't say I not am, but would see exactly how you use negation in Pidgin. Let's take a few examples. I am not in school would be the opposite, or you would have to negate the sentence I am in school. Do you remember how to say I am in school? It would be I dey school. Now, how do you say I am not in school? Remember, we use the word no and it comes before the verb. Instead of I dey school, you would say I know dey school. Now, how do you say he is not happy? You can say he is happy by saying he dey happy. Now, how do you say he is not happy? Remember, we use the word no and it goes before the verb. So he is not happy would be he no dey happy. How do you say we are not crazy? It would be we know they craze. Easy peasy. Now, how do you say you are not a loser? Easy. You know be loser. Remember, this would be instead of they, because it's not an activity. It's referring to identity. So it would be you know be loser. That means you are a winner, which is you be winner. Easy peasy. I'm going to leave us with homework as usual. How do you say I do not have a brother? Let's see. Well, you need to know how to use the verb to have in Pidgin. And so I'll tell us how to do that in the next class. But you can figure it out before then. For now, it's bye from Lexical Pidgin.